Blue Key today. Welcome everybody back to Valvetronic Designs. Today, obviously the B58 we know reigns supreme, but its predecessor, the N55, is still a phenomenal sounding engine with great performance and great modification potential. Today, BMW M235i, this is an F22 car, and we figured we'd show you guys the axle back system, the best on the market out there, and this car also has a resonator delete. So with these two modifications, this car is bone stock. There's no other modifications done to the vehicle except the 3-inch F chassis rear section and that center resonator delete. It's a very nice OEM Plus type of upgrade. You compare this axle back to the M Performance. It's a much more dynamic sound, more deep, more aggressive, and when the valves are closed, it's actually much quieter, which is nice. So we're gonna bring you along. We're gonna show you all the sound characteristics of this, frankly, perfect little two-door daily driver vehicle. We're gonna do startup, revs, flybys, and then in the next video, the car will be getting a free flow downpipe up front. So we'll showcase to you guys how the car sounds now in its stock configuration. Then the downpipe will be installed and we'll showcase what that is like a little bit later on. So exciting kind of two-part video series with this M235i, black sapphire metallic. My first BMW of all time was this color. So it brings back some memories, and let's get to the sound, guys. I'm excited for how this one sounds. M235i N55 engine. This car actually, I didn't have one of these, but when I first got into the BMW world, I had an N55 335, my first car. It's 2012, and it was exactly this specification. It was black sapphire with a coral red interior. My first car that I ever bought. I spent way too much money on it. It was BMW CPO. I had done detailing and all sorts of stuff, arbitraging parts just to be able to afford this stupid car. And I bought it and I made the car too loud, and my mom was like, why is it so loud? Make it quiet. And I was like, well, that's lame. She said, why don't you make it quiet when I'm in the car and then loud when you're in the car? And I was like, oh, Valvetronic was born. So this car brings back some fun memories. This would have been a more fun car than mine because my car was very heavy, but it's nice to be back in a coral red interior car with black sapphire exterior. Enjoying the car warming up right now. We need to get some oil temperature in as we kind of get going here to our film spot. The car has a nice aggressive sound out back. I would say it's a good OEM plus level of sound. This car, stock downpipe, it has the resonator deleted just with a straight 3-inch section of tubing. And then with the system, the F chassis rear, which the bypass is also 3-inch, the sound is, it has a lot of depth, has a lot of character, but it's nothing where you couldn't use this car every day. Cool thing is too, we do have the little Bimmerlink adapter here. So on the fly, I'm gonna show you guys, listen, I'm on throttle, all the sound just disappears. It just is gone. Now it's back with the valve open and closed. So it's a nice way of controlling the sound. You don't need to buy an external valve controller or anything for this car, which is great. You can just plug in your little MHD adapter or your V-peak adapter and control the valve. And having the flexibility is so nice. You can leave it in the auto mode, Sport and Sport Plus, it opens and closes, but you don't need to spend a bunch of extra money to get a full exhaust system for these cars. You can just do the valve rear, res delete, and maybe a downpipe if you like. Great sound, great flexibility, and quite honestly, you could spend the money on a full exhaust, but you're gonna spend at least double, and this is a much better option. The factory exhaust actually flows quite well in the midsection because it's all mandrel bent. So take the resonator out, put this on, and you pick up some great sound. Should have some oil temperature now. Shifts sound nice. Get some sound against these buildings here. Obviously, we're a little jaded here at Valvetronic when we drive some of this really crazy stuff like these SVJs and stuff, but at the end of the day, like, this is our core stuff. This is what we do. We are very blessed, very fortunate. We sell an absolute shit ton of these F chassis rear sections because they offer an unparalleled level of flexibility for, I think, a very reasonable amount of money. This, bolt this on, downpipe, res delete, your basically full exhaust system could be under like $1,400. You know, the downpipes are not very expensive. The F chassis rear gives you the flexibility and is made of uncompromised, really high quality materials. So there's your flexibility, your midsection delete for a little bit extra volume, and your downpipe for massive volume if you want to add the tune. So it's a great setup. Even this car sounds really nice and pure, even without the downpipe. Close it though. Back in comfort. It's like it's Bones talking here. I can hear you, or you can hear me, hopefully, no whispering. No drone, no unwanted frequencies. That's how we do it. Even at low speeds too, when the valve is opened, you get the bass behind you, but it's not drony. It's not like overbearingly muffler delete, like sound.
Sounds really good.
It's actually, yeah, it really has a nice resonance in here. It's not overly loud. Very, very nice in here. It's very funny to watch the RPMs go up and then the MPG just drop, and then when you shift, it like dips for a second, then comes back. is the N55, an OEM Plus version of sound for the N55. These cars, as we know, tons of modification potential. The B58, when compared to the N55, the N55 doesn't make as much power as B58, but single turbo, very reliable engine, and you get some great sound as well. If you're looking for the best F chassis rear section for your 2 Series, 3 Series, or 4 Series, the F chassis valved axle back, there is nothing quite like it on the market. There are copies, there's other systems like M Performance and other companies. Nothing's gonna give you the same sound and flexibility as this. Huge dynamic sound from open to closed, and really nothing else quite like it on the market. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video, where this car is gonna be a little bit louder with the help of a downpipe. We'll see you guys in that one.